Hi, Dr. Puja here. Let's continue to think healthy. Today, I want to talk to you about arthritis of the hand. Hand arthritis makes it difficult to do simple tasks like cooking or dialing numbers on our phone. All of these activities become frustrating to complete. Because arthritis of the hand can be very painful and debilitating, it oftentimes leads to feelings of depression. I want you to understand that the pain and symptoms can be reduced. Here's a simple exercise that I want you to do. So do this. Place your palms on the table. Now raise each finger individually. The index finger goes up, then the index finger goes down. The middle finger goes up, then your middle finger goes down, and on and on. Do this 5 to 10 times a day, and these exercises should increase your range of motion, increase dexterity, and reduce pain. Look, if you've been struggling with hand arthritis, it's time to see your doctor or healthcare team. They'll work with you and come up with a hand routine that works for you. As always, there's more on my website. Until next time.